Watch me build 5 real products from 5 ordinary jobs before this video ends with a free tool called GLM 5.2. Every AI money guru is selling you the hard way. They want you to build an agency, wire up automations, and pay $200 a month. I'm telling you to ignore all of it. I've made about $176,000 doing this over the years, so I'm not just guessing. I believe in receipts and not just more screenshots. I want you to pick a skill in your head. If I build something close to it, you build yours tonight. Or you can just keep buying more courses. You need to pick a side today. And stay for this bonus. One prompt that sells this thing for you. You're probably watching this video after a shift, half wondering if this AI wave is one more thing that's for other people. I'm telling you it's not. And that's the lie we're going to kill today. And real quick, because half of you have never heard of it, GLM 5.2 is a free AI chatbot that dropped 2 weeks ago. You open it in a browser tab like ChatGPT. You type in it in plain English, and it builds the stuff that used to require an engineer or a developer. People have tested it head-to-head against ChatGPT 5.5, and for building things like what we're going to build today, this free version wins. Now, is it the best at everything? No, of course not. But for this, it's more than enough. So here's the whole game plan, and it's really just 4 steps with no coding anywhere. 1, you name a skill you already have. 2, you describe the problem it solves like you're texting a friend. 3, GLM builds a thing, and 4, you put a price on it and sell it. Now watch me run this 5 times. 5 jobs, 5 products, and any one of them could be yours. Keep score in your head because in the follow-up video, I'm posting the real sales for all 5 of them. And on this day, somewhere in a gray office park, the fabric walls advanced another inch on Greg from accounting. He didn't even notice because he was too busy watching an AI video on his lunch break. That was me, by the way. I used to eat lunch in my car so nobody would ask what I was watching. And I remember exactly what I was thinking in that car. These videos are for the tech guys. I'll need some new skill before any of this will work for me. So I bought the new skill. Then I bought the next one. I bought sales systems, drop shipping products, even a coding course I never finished. Over the years, that added up to more than $50,000, and none of it made me any real money. And you want to know what finally did? The boring thing I was already doing at my job every single day. The skill I used for so long, I stopped seeing it as a skill at all. It sat there the whole time I was writing those checks, and that's the real cost of waiting. It's not the 50 grand, it's the years wasted. So don't do what I did. Drop the skill you start with in the comments. When I asked you guys, half of you said you didn't even know what you'd make. If that's you, don't worry about it. Watch these 5 builds and steal the one that's closest to what you already know. And quick thing, the exact prompts for all 5 of these are in the free worksheet at notes.platformproof.com. And 1 email unlocks every other video's worksheet too. Now let's start building. Now let's kill the biggest doubt right away. Can a free AI tool do real work, or is it just for toy demos? I want you to watch this closely. Let's start with the easy one. Let's say you run a landscaping crew, or you used to. I type in, build me a lawn care pricing calculator and a seasonal service schedule a new solo landscaper could use to quote jobs and not lose money. That's the whole prompt in plain English. And GLM builds it. A working calculator, you plug in lawn size, the services, and your region, and it hands back a price and a season-by-season schedule. So you might be asking, who would pay for this? Now, I want you to picture a guy in his first year going out on his own. He's great at the actual lawn work, but he's guessing at pricing. He's undercharging by half, and by August, he's exhausted and barely breaking even. This calculator tells him what to charge before he ever quotes the job. That's a $29 tool that saves him a whole season of leaving money on the table. Now, is it perfect straight out the box? No, of course not. He'll tweak the region numbers and add his own services, but the hard 90%, the part he'd never sit down and build himself, is done in just 1 sentence. So no, this thing doesn't just build toys. And that's just product 1. That's the easy one. The jobs only get harder from here. Now, say you're a machinist. In that world, 1 wrong number scraps an expensive part. So sure, it's built a lawn thing, but can it handle work where mistakes cost real money? So I typed in, make a CNC speeds and feeds cheat sheet for common materials that a first-year apprentice could tape right to his machine. Watch it build a clean reference card with materials down one side and speeds and feeds across the top. So you might be wondering, who's gonna buy this? Picture a first-year apprentice standing at the machine, second-guessing every number they type in. Their shop owners would buy it too, because they're sick of paying for those mistakes. It's a $19 card that pays for itself the first time it saves 1 part. The catch, and there's always a catch, is that a cheat sheet is only as good as the person double-checking it. So you tell them to verify against their own machines. But the whole reference got built in 1 prompt in about a minute. That's a high-stakes trade handled by the same 1 sentence, and That's product number 2. Now, maybe you're sitting there thinking, okay, Alston, but I'm not a landscaper or I'm not a machinist. What's my thing? I built a free tool exactly for this reason. It's the first link in the description. It's at make.platformproof.com. You tell it what you already know how to do, your hobby, your job, the thing people are always asking you about, and it hands you back a specific product you could make this weekend, plus the exact prompts to build it, completely for free. It's the same tool I used to come up with these 5. Now go make yours, then come right back and watch the last 3. Now, the next 3 are where people usually stop believing me. Somewhere in your head, people are asking, is a free AI tool version actually any good? And would anybody really pay for it? That's a good question. So watch these 3 closely and decide for yourself. And I'll tell you right now, the last one is the kind of thing that used to take a real developer at least a week to complete. All right, build number 3 takes us into the office, into the money stuff, and surely that needs an expert. Let's say you're a financial analyst, or you're just the person at work who's good with spreadsheets. I typed in, build a simple cash flow forecast a small business owner with no finance background could fill in to see if they're about to run out of money. GLM builds it, color-coded in plain language, forecasting 12 months out. Picture the buyer. She's a small business owner flying blind, one slow month away from missing payroll and not even seeing it coming. This is a $39 spreadsheet that shows her the cliff before she drives off of it. Now, this thing doesn't do the bookkeeping for her, she still has to put in the real numbers, but it turns a scary blank page into fill in the blanks. And I mean, that's the difference between an owner who sleeps at night and one who doesn't. So did this one need an expert? Yeah, it probably did, but that expert is you. All that spreadsheet knowledge just became something you could hand to somebody, and that's number 3 done. Build number 4 is the quietest fear on this list. Say you're a project manager and deep down you think your job is too generic for anyone to pay for. So I typed in, make a project kickoff and weekly status report template pack a brand new PM could use to look like they've been doing this for 10 years. Watch what comes out next. A kickoff doc, a weekly report, and a stakeholder update, all matching. This one's for every new project manager and team lead who just got the promotion and is now quietly terrified of looking lost in front of the people who report to them. This $27 pack lets them walk in on day 1 looking like they've run 100 projects. Will a picky company want it tweaked to their format? Sure, of course, some will, but that's 10 minutes of editing, not 10 hours at a blank screen. It's a generic job with a specific fear and a real product. That's product number 4. And then there's the one I saved for last on purpose. Build 5 is the thing people pay lawyers $300 an hour for. Let's say you're a property manager or you just own a couple of rentals. Type in, build a tenant screening and lease renewal checklist system a small landlord could follow to avoid a bad tenant and a lawsuit. And GLM builds the whole system, a screening scorecard, a renewal timeline, and the exact steps in order. Now you might be thinking, who would pay for this one? It's every small landlord who's one bad tenant away from a nightmare and knows it deep down. That's the kind of thing a person would happily pay a lawyer but doesn't have one, and doesn't have $300 an hour lying around anyway. This one sells for just $35, but it's probably worth a lot more. No, it's not legal advice. You tell them to check their own state's rules, policies, laws, and ordinances. But the system itself, the scorecard, the timeline, all of it, got built in one plain sentence. Now let's talk about the part where most people quit. You built the thing, it's real, it works, but nothing happens. Nobody buys it because nobody knows it even exists. And I've been there. Here's the part that product builders always forget. You don't need a store, and you don't need a big audience. You go where these people are already hanging out. The landscaper posts one short video answering a pricing question other landscapers are already searching. The machinist drops the cheat sheet in a trade forum he's already in. You just put the link underneath. The free content is the thing that finds a buyer. That's exactly how I sell mine, through YouTube channels like this one. So it was never just the product. It's the product plus one place the right people already look. Now send this part to the friend who keeps saying they'll start something next month. This is the part they're missing. So count them up. That's 5 different jobs and 5 real products people can buy, all built with a free AI tool in plain English, just in one sitting. And you never wrote a single line of code or hired a single developer. Now think about that last one, the landlord system. A developer would have charged you at least $1,000 and taken at least a week. And it was just built right in front of you for almost nothing. And think about what that means for you. A year ago, this meant hiring a freelancer for each one, or paying $200 a month for a tool with half the work still on you, or giving up because it all felt too complicated and too technical. That wall came down quietly just 2 weeks ago, and almost nobody is using this for the thing that actually pays them. And before you think everyone's going to do the same 5 things and flood the internet, They probably won't. Your version has your judgment baked in, your examples, and the stuff you know because you did the job for years. A stranger can copy the prompt. They can't copy 15 years of your experience. That's the part that's still yours, and that's the part that sells and people will pay for. Now picture 3 weeks from now. Same job, same lunch break, maybe even the same car. Only this time, you're not hiding what you're watching because your phone just buzzed. Somebody you've never met just paid you $29 for the thing you made in one sentence on a Tuesday night. And that's not a fantasy. That's just what the first sale feels like. My best single month doing this was $8,407.95. And every one of those months started with one buzz exactly like that. And here's the bonus I promised. And almost nobody bothers with the second part. You don't just build the product. You need to paste in one more prompt. Now write me a simple one-page sales page for this with a headline, 3 bullet points, and a price. Then watch what happens. GLM writes the whole page in about 30 seconds. Now you've got the thing and the page that sells it, and you still haven't touched a line of code. The skill you stop seeing as a skill is the one. That's the one you should be selling. Now watch this video next. I did this exact thing with Claude, building 5 products in 13 minutes, and it's right there on the screen for you to click. But I left one question hanging in that video. Did any of those 5 actually sell? Nobody shows you that part, and I'm going to. So go watch that video first. And comment proof builder if you stay until the end and you are going to make $3,000 with the skills you already have. Now go build the damn thing. Quick disclaimer, this video is for educational purposes only. Most people who try to make money don't end up making money online. Nothing here implies or guarantees success or returns of any kind.